What? Yeah, one of my favorite buddies. Yeah, we got a Connex here, working on. Gonna build a shop out of it. Tim cranked up his mill. We cut some lumber. 2x12s, 2x10s. 2x12 on the bottom, 2x10. That's a 2x10 down there. That might be a 12. These are 2x12s up here. These are 16 foot. Two by 12s, rough lumber, rough cut. The old blue. Yeah, there's the old fire truck. About 1959, 1960. Laramie Peak in the background. What a beautiful picture right there. Laramie Peak is not over by Laramie. If you're in Pennsylvania, then Laramie Peak is by Laramie, Wyoming. Oh yeah, here comes the wind. Spent the last 2.5 days working inside the Connex, putting in shelves, my chop saw, my 2x10 saw table, 2x4s. Working on getting the top shelf put in now, like this one is. And you cut the 2x4s to the ceiling long enough that you kind of jam them in there. Put in some 2x4s, 2 foot long. Put the 2x12s on them, notch out for the 2x4s. The center looks like this. 2x4s on both sides of the 2x4 upright. Beautiful wood. My gosh, does it smell good in here. And I'm just about to notch this one out. For that 2x4. It sets on this 2x4. Goes back against the metal wall that way. Then screws go down through into the 2x4 that goes between the two uprights. So we got a 2x4 across there. There's going to be another one right here. Well, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You got to do something to keep yourself busy, you know, while the coronavirus is doing its thing. Good luck on the human race ever knowing what this is all about, but I can guarantee you one thing, it's not about just a virus. Going to be some big things happening, big changes, I think, coming. The puppeteers behind the curtain are doing their thing worldwide. We all know the Democrats are pulling a coup against the United States Constitution, the United States people. They need to be rounded up. Anyway, we're going to move this shop out here. And all the stuff that's around it, and that's been there about 60 years. Well, actually, it came here, that was a barn, about 100 yards from where it's sitting now. It came here in about 1974. My uncle passed away last October. He's the one that had this little shop here. And this is full of grease and oil and filters and stuff. Hydraulic oil. And it won't be too much longer. This little shop will be gone. It has served its purpose. Boy, talk about a museum. I'll have to catch the sunlight on this side and splice the video together. Anybody for a man-sized chain? Tire chains, truck chains. Anyway, it'd be kind of sad to see it gone, but it'll be good to have the new shop, which is going to be the Connex. My little slice of heaven. And there's old paint. Honda 420, that's mine. This is where we come to do the poker run. Laramie Peak Volunteer Fire Department. And check this out. And it runs. I believe it was in 1938. I could be wrong, but that's sort of what I was thinking. This was my uncle's real baby here. Like I say, it runs. Got to rebuild the carburetor in it though. Got all the parts. Just got to get it done. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care, you stay safe, and don't let the coronavirus get you. We'll see you later.